Alright, so hey guys, what is up? I am back with another video, and today we're talking about the updates to the cars. Since that video done very well last time, I'm going to be carrying on with this trend. Not the trend, but the videos that you guys like. Since you guys saw the car last, a lot of things have happened. Currently, I'm still waiting to get the issue with my drivetrain sorted. I'm not quite sure where it is yet. The garage, they said they need to have the car for about 2-3 days, but obviously I can't not have a car for 2-3 days, because that means I can't get to places. I have plans to go to shoots to do, so stuff like that. As I'm editing this video, I've realised that there's no structure to it at all. Like, I'm just looking through it, and when I go into the videos folder, there's literally God knows how much footage to go through. But before you get into it, I'm just going to tell you guys, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Subscribe on YouTube if you haven't already. But let's get right into it. But I think the first thing we're going to be talking about is the exhaust, because I did a back box and resonator delete, so now my car is significantly louder, which has a little bit of a pop and bang here and there. But I'm going to get a stage on remount with pops and bangs in the coming months, I should say, because we need to, like, my friends told me to take it slow, because if I do all of the mods in one go, I'm going to get bored of the car and then we're going to need a new car. So I'm going to take my time, build this car up, take you guys along with me on the journey. I say we cut to the video where we got the exhaust changed.
Hey, what happened?
So I'm looking throughout the footage and I haven't done a lot of commentating, so I'm going to do a voiceover for you guys. But just to explain the content of this video, because I did record an intro just a second ago, which you guys would have seen like 10 seconds ago, I guess. But what I'm going to be doing is just changing the trim color on my interior. So my interior trim has a little red strip underneath the black, so the black's going to go carbon, so I'm getting a carbon wrap for that soon, so a video that'll be in my next video. So right now I'm just changing the trim color, just the tiny trim, and then the button color to the blue to match the steering wheel and the gear gator stitching and the outside crash bars. Also, I did manage to change my wing mirror indicators to the sweeping ones, and they're smoked ones, so they blend in with my M4 style caps. What else did I do? I think I did do a splitter install, but I didn't get the right kit and it fell off on the M-way. Story for another time. So, and then the last thing I did was all of my electronics that I plugged in, the lighting, the ambient lighting, the footwell lighting and the ambient lighting, I did all the electrics for that, and I put it inside of the actual, so where the iDrive goes, underneath that, I snapped everything underneath there, so there's no wires inside. And I think I also took off the roof, painted it black. I don't think I have any footage of that actually, because it was all and I was stupid and I didn't record it as usual. But I think that's about it. The rest of it will be voiceover. So a simple color change. So you can see I've done this before, but it's a bad job, so I thought I might as well show you guys. And then change the color of this, the button, the crash bars, and something else. So just wait and watch till the end. I'm just about to show you what I'm doing. So right now I'm just wrapping the stop start button in the blue color. Unfortunately, this does not fit correctly into the slot, so it kept popping out. I ended up taking it off, so I've ordered the correct color button, and this is just me reinstalling the trim with the ambient lighting strips. I wish I'd recorded when I initially installed the ambient lighting strips, which I didn't. Now, if you guys do want me to do a video on that, please do let me know down in the comments below. I'll be sure to uninstall it and reinstall it, especially for you guys, because I know it's a very nice install to have in your cars, and a lot of cars, like high-end cars, come with it, and not so much the earlier cars. And it's a really nice effect to have, especially when you're driving at night with your boys, with your girlfriend, whoever you're with. And right now this is just me taking off the front bumper so I can wrap the crash bars in the same blue as the interior and the same color that is the stitching on. So obviously, if you don't know how to take off the bumper for your car, there's multiple tutorials on YouTube. It's very easy. There's 4 screws on the top and there's a couple screws on the bottom. The reason I have to take off my front
top ones is because my grill doesn't just pop out, so you have to release the clamps from inside the actual bumper on the other side. And right now what I did was I measured the diameter. Is that the word? I haven't done maths in so long. I think circumference, I believe. No, circumference is the right word. I was measuring the circumference of the actual crash bar itself, so I can measure out the correct amount of vinyl, so I can wrap it properly. Up of the car's running, everything's working, all the wires are working. Just need to swap out the wires and we should be back. Just about to refit everything back onto the car. I'm just gonna finish that step by step and show you guys along the way. This is just the center console panel that's gonna go on, and then next is gonna be the iDrive unit, and then we're complete. Everything's been wired properly, hot glued into place, ambient lighting done, footwell lighting done, boom. Just need to do the star. Ooh, save that for next time, don't worry. The footwell lights are working. I don't think you can actually see it. Footwell lights are working, ambient lighting is also working. So the next thing that we did install on the car were the side sweeping indicators, and they're also smoked. So right here I'm just taking off the cap, which is just 3 clips. Just clip it off, pull it off, and then you have to take off the front mirror, and then that's just with a trim tool. You just put it in behind the mirror and push it out, and it should come straight out. Then the next thing you guys have to do is just unscrew the light itself and replace the new light, and you should be all good to go.
Hey, what happened?
We are going to show you the car we also went to. So this is footage of that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I forgot to record an outro as per usual, so I'm just going to do voiceover for you guys. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did like it, make sure to leave a like down below, and if you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in my next video.